Actually is a high, at least for the perps, taking all the drugs from the evidence locker down at the New Orleans Police Department. Local CBS affiliate WWL-TV has the story.
The NOP headquarters building here on Broad Street is decaying. That's why the city is looking for a new space, a space where rats don't eat evidence.
The rats eating our marijuana, they're all high.
Did the chief just say what I think she said?
The rats eating our marijuana, they're all high.
Got it. The rats are all high from eating drugs seized by New Orleans police. That headline from the City of New Orleans quarterly criminal justice meeting certainly caught the attention of the nation this week. Turns out NOPD headquarters is a known meetup spot for the city's rodent population. As these 2017 photos from inside the facility show, rats, cockroaches, and even snakes have plagued the building for years. Now, rats are raiding the evidence room, which houses items and illegal substances collected from crime scenes. Since it's weed, at least the rats are mellow and kind of just watching South Park on the couch all day. We'll be right back with your Sunday Mugshots.